Evaluate logarithmic expression by changing the base. Sometimes logarithmics are not a common logs, are not a ln's. So, for example, when they are not a common logs, we have difficulties how to calculate them in calculator, but we have the formula log of base b of a, we can change it to common logs, common log of a divided by common log of b. Or we can use a natural logs when we have, for example, a log of base b of a, and this is not a b is not a common log, is not a 10b, so we can write as a natural log ln of a divided by ln of b. So here let's take one example and let's apply both the formulas and let's see do we get the same result. We have a log base 2 of 3, and how can you use base 10 of logarithms to evaluate base 2 logarithms? But we are trying here to go in both bases, in the both logs, a natural and a common log. If we have, let me take one blue here. If we have a log base 2, so first of all we are going to convert into the common logs, this base 3, and this is going to be equal according to the formula, this formula here, common log of 3 divided by common log of 2, common log of 2. And now we are using a calculator here, so it's easy for us, so we just use a calculator and we get. And now log 3, common log here is a 10. As you see in calculator, we don't have a log with a base 2, so in this kind of calculator it's much easier if we are converting, if we are changing the bases. So now here is a 0.477, so let me write here 0.477. And now we are going to use this log 2. Let me take out this one. 2 common log of 2 is a 0.301. So it's a 0.301. And let's see what we get. Now we are calculating everything. So it's a 0.477 divided by 0.301, and the result is 1.58. Let me 1.58. And now let's try now to use it with the ln, to use this formula here. So log base 2, now we are using a different form. We are using the natural logs, and when we are using natural logs, it's going to be ln 3 divided by ln 2, ln 3 divided by ln 2. Let me write this 3 better, and it's going to be equal with let's take this out, and 3 ln is going to be equal with 1.0986. Okay, 1.0986. And now ln2 is going to be 2 ln 0.693, 0.693. This is 93. let's see what we get. So let's calculate everything now. 1.0986 divided by 0.693 and we get 1.58. So this is 1.58. Approximately is the same, but because we are rounded the number, so this number can sometimes fluctuate between some smaller decimals, but those are approximately the same as we take more decimals in consideration to divide by the other number in the decimals. If we are including all the decimals, these numbers are going to be uh, equal with each other. But if we are rounded the numbers, then the result is going to be slightly different. But still, we know this is going to be approximately the same number, so it gives us the same result.